there. So I'm here in Stockholm and I'm going today to Uppsala by train, which will be coming in just a few minutes. And so in this video, then I'm going to show you how expensive is Sweden. I already covered Stockholm in a separate video, but I will show how expensive things are outside Stockholm. Okay, I'm not sure if this is Uppsala. I guess this is it. I mean, train. It was 110 kroner, which is about $12–13 for a one-way trip to Uppsala, which is about an hour away, I think. I don't know. This is Uppsala. I'm not exactly sure what to see here, but people recommended it. It looked kind of interesting and maybe picturesque. So just going to walk around and explore and in the process show how expensive is Sweden.
Hey, taxi Mickey. Hey.
So the Masala Cathedral is the largest cathedral in Scandinavia. Check out this dog. That thing looks like some kind of weird monster. Interesting sculpture there. And so I just inquired about the train going back to Stockholm, and it leaves every hour, 11 minutes after the hour. So I'm just going to hang out and explore Uppsala here for the next hour or two and then head back to Stockholm. One thing to keep in mind is that cash is a little bit discouraged. Many places in Sweden, they expect you to pay with a credit card. So the ticket to get here, I paid with a card, and then there's a machine to pay with a card for the train ticket going back. The current exchange rate for the US dollar to the Swedish kroner is about 8.8. So 1 US dollar gets you 8.8 Swedish kroner. So they do not use the euro here. All right, going to head in the direction of that cathedral. And I will mention, as far as accommodation goes, then I am staying in a hostel in Stockholm that is only about $20 per night. Does not include breakfast, but still, that is pretty cheap. However, it is off-season, it is early May, and so accommodation prices likely will go up in peak season. And so Uppsala is the fourth largest city of Sweden, about 150,000 people. And one of its claims to fame, other than the cathedral, is this is where the temperature scale of Celsius was invented. What an awesome sunny day. Spring is finally coming to Sweden here. And so I'm in a bathroom here. It is a public restroom right along that canal there. Normally, then restrooms you have to pay for, the public restrooms. So far I've seen a couple that were all 10 kroner, which is about $1. Now an interesting thing is that at one place at a mall, then you could not pay cash, you could only use a credit card, so that was a little strange, but fortunately this one was free, and so I thought that I would give a quick little tour of the bathroom, so to speak. So here we are. It's a little bit messy, but other than that, it is quite functional. I don't actually know what that is. Papperskorg, I guess that's where the paper towels are supposed to go. Here we got toilet paper, soap, and then the water, and then your hand drying. So it's not, you know, beautiful or anything, but it is very functional. All right, gonna head back out. And so here we got some food prices. A falafel plate with a drink for 79 kroner. That's about $9. Again, 79 kroner for a kebab plate. And then a pita for 85. Hot dog for 30, which is about $3.50. Hamburger, 90 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams, so different sizes of burgers for like 7, 9, 10 bucks. And I guess that must be the cathedral there. Quite a scene, all these bicycles and people walking around. It's nice to be in a city, and it isn't just people in their cars and a couple of people on the streets, but most people are actually walking around, especially with the warm sunshine soaking it up. So nice little city here. Here we have some more prices. Kebab wrap for 70 or about $8. Falafel with hummus for same price. Lasagna with salad, about $10 there, 85 kroner. Coffee, 16, so that's about $2, or maybe that's a large for $2.50. Latte for about $4. Cappuccino, 33 kroner, a little less than $4. And so I was just talking with that guy there. He is from South Africa, but he has lived here in Uppsala for 50 years. Pretty cool. And so I confirmed that this is indeed the Uppsala Cathedral. All right, looks like it's open. Welcome to Uppsala Cathedral. Individual visitors, free admission. The history of Uppsala University starts over 500 years ago here in Uppsala's medieval center next to the cathedral. The oldest university in the Nordic countries. It was founded in 1477 by Regent of Sweden, Sture the Elder, and the Archbishop of Uppsala, Jacob Oldsson. And it looks like a pint of beer is 39 kroners, or about $4.50. Here at Pinocchio Restaurant and Pizzeria. Oh yeah, smoothies for 49 kroner. A little more than $5. Gonna go for one of those. All right, mango strawberry.
Yeah, you're working with 200.
And so I've got my train ticket here to go back to Stockholm. This time it was only 95 kroner. I'm not sure why the difference, but it should be coming in about 10 minutes. So I'm now back in Stockholm, and I'm going to look into bus tickets to my next destination. I'm either going to Oslo, Norway, or Copenhagen, Denmark, but I haven't made up my mind quite yet, so it might depend on the buses. All right, that's done. So I booked a ticket from Stockholm here to Oslo in 2 days, and then also a ticket from Oslo to Copenhagen, and the total bill was 950 kroner, which is a little more than $100 for 2 bus tickets that are going to be about 7 to 8 hours each, so not bad. Crystal restaurant, fish and chips. I think that means with a beer or with wine. That's not so bad. Nice place. And I got a pastry here from 7-Eleven for 20 kroners, a little more than $2. Dinner there was 169 kroners, so hopefully this video gave you a good idea of how expensive is Sweden. Take it easy.